Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever thought about tackling hair removal from the comfort of your own home, you're probably familiar with the Silk'n Flash&Go. But when it comes to choosing the right cartridge for your device, does it live up to the claims? Today, we're diving into the Silk'n Flash&Go Replacement Cartridge, designed for both men and women, with 1,000 pulses to keep your skin smooth and hair-free. Let's break it down. This cartridge is a key component of the Silk'n Flash&Go permanent hair removal device. What makes it so interesting is its promise of delivering professional-grade results at home, offering a blend of convenience, effectiveness, and cost savings when compared to salon treatments. The device uses intense pulse light (IPL) technology, a clinically proven method to target hair follicles and reduce hair growth over time. One of the first things I noticed is how easy it was to replace the cartridge. There's no complicated setup involved. You simply pop it into the device, and you're good to go. The cartridge itself is lightweight, which is a practical feature for long-term use. It's not bulky or cumbersome, making it comfortable to handle as you move the device across different areas of the body. Let's talk about how this product performs in real-world conditions. During my testing, I used it on both small areas like my upper lip and larger areas such as my legs. The Flash&Go worked as expected, emitting a pulse of light that's warm but not painful. The 1,000 pulses mean you get a solid number of uses before you need a replacement, which can last anywhere from a few months to a year, depending on frequency of use. It's a nice balance between convenience and longevity. However, I do want to note that, as with any IPL device, results vary based on skin and hair type. If you have lighter skin with darker hair, the Flash&Go tends to work better. If your skin tone is darker or your hair is lighter, you might not see the same level of results. It's something to consider before purchasing, especially since it does come at a higher price point than traditional hair removal options. In terms of pros, the biggest strength of this cartridge is its ease of use. Swapping out the cartridge is quick and simple, and I love that you get professional-grade results from the comfort of your own home. It's also lightweight and compatible with a variety of skin tones, although I'd recommend checking the guidelines to make sure you're a good match for IPL. On the flip side, the major con I found is that it may not be as effective for those with darker skin tones or very fine light-colored hair. Also, if you're used to one of the more intense salon treatments, you may need to adjust your expectations for how fast results appear. This is a more gradual process and requires consistency. Is it worth the price? When you look at the cost of salon treatments, a replacement cartridge is relatively affordable, and the Flash&Go can save you a lot of time and money in the long run. But if you don't have the patience for gradual results, it might not be the best investment for you. For those of you who aren't sure if the Flash&Go is for you, there are alternatives on the market. Some devices offer more powerful settings or come with additional features like skin sensors to ensure safety. However, if you're looking for a reliable, straightforward IPL device with a solid cartridge system, the Silk'n Flash&Go is a strong contender. As for build quality, the cartridge itself is durable, and the overall design of the Flash&Go device is sturdy enough for frequent use. I haven't had any issues with longevity or performance, which is a huge plus. The device is built to last, and I anticipate it'll continue to work effectively as long as you replace the cartridge when needed. Now let's talk customer service. I've had no direct interaction with Silk'n's customer support, but their reputation in the IPL market is strong. They're known for providing useful information and responding to customer inquiries promptly, which speaks volumes about their commitment to customer satisfaction. Overall, the Silk'n Flash&Go Replacement Cartridge offers solid performance with a clear focus on convenience and effectiveness. While it may not work for everyone, it delivers what it promises for most people with the right skin and hair type. The product is definitely worth considering for anyone who wants a more affordable, long-term solution to hair removal without stepping foot in a salon. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, And if you've tried the Silk'n Flash&Go, drop a comment below. Let us know how it worked for you. Stay beautiful inside and out.